Long-term statistics show that over 95% of people have no idea how to get a valid IRS payment plan. They also don't know how to prevent IRS collection action once they get a plan. And I say, neither do over 95% of the people helping them. I'm Joe Mastriano, CPA, and I've spent my whole 35-year career helping thousands of taxpayers with IRS problems. So I know what I'm talking about. I've fixed many bad agreements. I've helped people lower their payment amount and helped them keep property the IRS told them they had to sell. Here's the problem. Never assume you're in a payment plan. Most payment plans are either set up incorrectly or broken without you even knowing why. Many people think they are in an IRS installment agreement and are then surprised when the IRS levies their bank account or paycheck. People also think they have to sell their assets and pay more than they can afford in a monthly agreement. Well, 9 out of 10 times when I review a payment plan with a taxpayer, I find that they're in jeopardy of being levied against. So if you owe the IRS, you'll need my professional help to avoid being overcharged by the IRS and suffering from collection action you didn't even see coming. Let's look at credentials you can trust. So with a high Better Business Bureau rating, successful IRS problem solving since 1980, thousands of successful tax cases, and a professionally licensed CPA firm since 1980, my help is needed so you aren't fooled into thinking you have an agreement and then your paycheck or bank account is levied. My help is needed so you aren't fooled into believing that you have to give up assets and more money each month than you really have to. Maybe your payments can be lowered without selling assets. Maybe you qualify for one of their Fresh Start programs or even an offer in compromise. Ways to settle for less. The solution is to get experienced advice on the best way to solve your IRS situation. You must know how to get and keep a valid agreement. Agreements need to have a 2-digit status code to be valid. You must follow certain rules on filing and paying that are little known by many IRS representatives, let alone taxpayers. The IRS won't tell you this, nor will you find it on the internet. The result of following my advice will get you a binding agreement and the secure feeling knowing that you will not do anything to break the agreement. After thousands of cases, I've had no exceptions. So if you want the same rock-solid payment plans I've gotten for my clients for many years, fill out the contact form on the right or go to the page listed on the video and let's see what I can do for you. Thank you.